Very good morning to my lovely batans. So I am back with your computer class. In the last class we have done the short answer questions of chapter 8, that is more on tux paint. So today we are going to do its long answer questions, and along with that we are going to make a beautiful drawing again with the help of different tools which we have learnt in this chapter. Okay, so everyone just take out your computer notebooks and book as well, and keep your stationery ready. So let's start the long answer questions. So chapter 8, more on tux paint. Today we are going to do long answer questions of this chapter. If you have left space where we have finished the short answer questions, अगर वहीं पे आपके पास space है तो just आप आज की डेट डालें, राइट डाउन टुडेज डेट एंड गिव द हेडिंग लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चंस and then leave one line and write down the first question. How do you start tux paint? आप tux paint कैसे start करते हैं? Okay, we'll write the answer here in points so that it will be easy for you to learn. So कैसे open करते हैं हम tux paint? First of all हम क्या करते हैं? We click on this start button, then we'll click on all apps. After clicking on all apps, we'll scroll down till alphabet T and then click on the drop down arrow against tux paint. Now here you will see two options, tux paint full screen and tux paint windowed. So now this is your choice which one you want to open. Full screen अगर आप open करोगे it will come on your entire monitor screen, and if you will use the windowed then it will open with a small window. Okay, so choice is yours. So this is how we'll start the tux paint. So we'll write here. So to start tux paint, follow the given steps. First click on start button, then click on all apps, then click on tux paint, and after that you have to click on tux paint windowed or tux paint full screen. Okay, so write it down and write in points like I have written 1, 2, 3, so that it will be easy for you to learn. And those who have done, they can leave one line and write down the second question. What are the different tools in tux paint? So what are the different tools in tux paint? We have different tools. So I'll show you in tux paint only. So now we'll open the tux paint. So this is the last drawing we have made, and I told you whichever drawing we used to save, it will open when you will open the tux paint. So here you can see these are the different tools: paint tool, stamp tool, lines tool, shapes tool, text tool, fill tool, magic tool, eraser tool, new, open button, save button, quit tool. So these all are the different tools which we get in the tux paint. Okay, so we'll write here. Tux paint provides a variety of tools for drawing like lines tool, shapes tool, text tool, मैजिक टूल, स्टैम्प टूल, क्विट टूल एक्सेट्रा. आप यहाँ पे पेंट टूल भी लिख सकते हैं, इरेजर टूल भी लिख सकते हैं, सेव टूल, न्यू टूल, यू कैन राइट ओके ऑल दोज टूल्स. So write down in a beautiful handwriting with no spelling mistakes. Okay, so write it down. Just we finish it, then we'll make a beautiful drawing using different tools. Okay, so do it fast, then we'll do the tux paint drawing. And keep revising the chapters revise this chapter side by side and the previous chapters also. Soon we'll have the class test also. So again and again I am telling, keep revising. Okay, now all I have done. So now we'll make a beautiful drawing. So we'll open the Tux Paint in full screen. So once we'll close it. So this is your Tux Paint screen. Okay, now we'll make a beautiful drawing. So first of all, select the size of the brush, then select the blue color, make like this. And we'll fill it with, click on the fill tool, fill it like this. Now select the different shades of blue color. We'll click on paint tool again. Now we'll make these lines with different shade of blue color to make a perfect river or whatever. अच्छे से हम पानी को दिखाना चाहते हैं तो हम ब्लू कलर की डिफरेंट शेड यहाँ पे ले रहे हैं. You can see here. Then we'll use a smudge tool to mix all these. Okay. So we'll click on the magic tool now. Now here on the right side we'll scroll down. We'll get a smudge tool here. This is your smudge tool. Now mix these colors. Okay, you can listen the sound as well. तो आपको अच्छे से मिक्स करना है इन कलर्स को. Mix them smoothly. Okay, now I have added some yellow color also in this. आप देख सकते हो कितना अलग सा एक अच्छा सा इफ़ेक्ट आया है. तो ये येलो कलर हमने किस लिए किया है, ताकि अभी हम यहाँ पे सनसेट सीन शो करेंगे. तो ये पानी में जब सूरज छिपता है और उसकी रोशनी पानी पे गिरती है तो थोड़ी येलो येलो शेड आती है, तो वो शेड देने की हमने यहाँ पे कोशिश की है. ओके, सो नाउ विल सेलेक्ट shapes tool, then we'll select here circle and we'll select a transparent circle. we'll undo it. थोड़ा हम यहाँ पे पास बनाएंगे. again we'll remove it. we'll again remove it. ठीक है, now it's fine. थोड़ा और हम थोड़ा नीचे हाफ लेके आएंगे इसको, आधा, ताकि पानी में आधा पानी के ऊपर ये नज़र आए, लाइक दिस. ठीक है, नाउ सेलेक्ट द ब्लू कलर अगेन वंस, ताकि विल यूज़ द इरेज़र, नॉट इरेज़र, विल यूज़ द पेंट टूल ओनली. Click on smudge tool. Okay, and now we'll fill with the yellow color, the sun, and in this we'll give a little shade of orange as well. तो we'll click on paint tool, we'll select orange tool, और यहाँ पे हम थोड़ा सा अगेन यहाँ पे ऑरेंज शेड हमने डाली. क्लिक ऑन मैजिक टूल, अगेन we'll use the smudge tool. Again click on the paint tool. Again click on the magic tool. So ऑरेंज शेड भी आती है जब हमारा सूरज छिपता है. Okay, so this way we are going to give a beautiful effect here. Okay, आप देख सकते हैं कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. Now we'll again select the paint tool. Now select the black color and we'll make trees here, black trees. रात को सब ब्लैक नज़र आता है ना, ट्रीज़ वगैरह का कलर हमें इतना नज़र नहीं आता है. सो that is why we are going to make it okay. well फिर यहाँ पे भी कुछ बना लेते हैं हम थोड़ा ब्लैक में. ओके, नाउ फिल टूल यूज़ करेंगे, फिल द कलर इन दीज. ओके, so this way you can make a beautiful drawing using different tools. Okay, and you can show the birds here. Click on the stamp tool and show some birds flying in the sky. Make the size small like this. Okay, so this way you can